Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your password on Disney Plus account. To change your login password on Disney Plus is just a couple of steps away, so make sure you watch the video until the end. First of all, open a web browser and then type in disneyplus.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're signed into your Disney Plus account like you normally do. After you're logged in, from the main homepage, go to the upper right hand corner and mouse over to your profile avatar. Now click on the account option from the pop-up. Click on Manage with My Disney right under your account information. Click on the pencil icon right next to password and then type in the verification code that has been sent to you via your email address associated with My Disney. Open up the email from Disney Plus and copy the code in it. Once you copy the 6 digits long verification code, get back to your My Disney website and paste in the code in the text box. Finally, click Continue. Now, choose a new password you would like to update to and type it in the text box. Finally, click on Save and Continue, but before that, if you click on this Log out of all devices, after changing your password, you will be logged out of all the devices that you are logged in with this particular account. If you don't want to do that, leave the box unchecked, but if you are skeptical about your account security, you can check on this box and click on Save and Continue in order to change your password as well as log out of all of the devices. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your Disney Plus account. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.